Hello friends, so in this video I will tell you that how to install Python in your device. So firstly you have to open any browser in your device, then you have to search here Python, then you have to click on it. Then the official website of Python will appear here, Python official website, python.org. Then you have to open it. So here you will see the download option. So here you have to press the download option, then click on the Python 3.10.8. So here you will see the downloading it is going on, so wait for a while. So here you can see the download has been completed, so you have to open file, then you have to click on installing, and you have to click on yes, and you will see the downloading is going on, so you have to wait. So here the setup process is going on, so you have to wait. So the installing process has been done, so you have to open the search option, then you can search here Python, then you can open it, so you can use anything, so you can do programming here. So you can see some of the software has been installed, like Python 3.10 manual module idle, so you can use any of the software for programming. Just thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts, so tell me in comment section. If you have any problem regarding to downloading Python in your device, so tell me in the comment section so I can help you. So okay, bye, that's for today. See you in the next video.